last thing we'll drop on, because we didn't go too deep in the weeds on anything, is our App Store. We are built to integrate, right? So we're best in class, which means we focus on being the best B2B e-commerce solution we can be. Anything outside of that, we want to rely on the other companies that think in that same manner. So if they're the best out there at what they do, we want to integrate to them. So DDS, we do a lot with data and content for our e-commerce products. You see different apps for shipping that we pull in. We definitely recommend getting involved with Google Analytics as well. So really, we just want our customers to be able to integrate with what makes sense to them so that when they come on and they're using our platform, they're getting the best experience possible so that their customers, in turn, come on and shop with them to get the best experience possible.